To reinstall the rear panel or skid plate on the back of a 270 HTX and a 200 HT, first start by inserting the condensate pump discharge line through the hole in the back of the skid plate. Pull the line approximately 2 inches out, then reinstall the male quick connect into the line. Next, pivot the rear panel upright into position on the back of the dehumidifier and start by inserting the 2 upper corner screws by hand. Once this is done, you could then insert the remaining screws using either a T25 Torx screwdriver or a power drill with a T25 bit. Insert all 14 screws, making sure that you do not over-tighten to avoid damage to the dehumidifier.